Alright, so we are going through exercise 13b, question 1. In this video, we'll go through I, J, and K. Let's go. So here we have a question. We have to evaluate it. Immediately we notice we have a negative indice, so I'm going to rewrite it as 1 over 1000. And now instead of that negative, I can write it as 4 over 3. Now when I come down here, I can immediately just say, all right, this is going to be 1 over cube root of 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to raise it to the power of 4. Now, it's really easy when you're given this. As you'll notice, you have 1, 2, 3 zeros, and then a cube root, and that's because 10 to the 3 is 1000. So I come here, I go like that, that's going to be 10, then I put that 4 on there. And again, when you have 10 raised to a power, so in this case 10 to the 4, that just means I'm going to have a 1 with 1, 2, 3 4s after it. So it's 1 to the 1000. How easy is that? Let me now highlight my answer. So nothing too tricky at all. Let's now come up and do another one. So here we have pretty much the same idea. It's not negative this time. So that means we're going to have, and I'm just going to quickly do this like that. I have, how many zeros do I have there? I have 4 zeros. And look, I have 4 zeros and a 4th root. And that's because, you know, they're not trying to trick you here. That's going to be 10. So 10 to the 4 is 10,000 because it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after it. Now I have 10 to the 3. That means I'm going to write my answer with a 1 and 3 zeros after it. Look how ugly that 0 is. Let me try that again. 1, 2, 3. There's some good looking zeros. Highlight that, that. Perfect. Let's continue. Now we come here. I'm going to write this as 4th root of 81 to the 3. Come down. What is the 4th root of 81? Now, the answer is 3. 3 to the 4 is 81. And try to think of some ways to remember this. So for instance, when you see 81, I immediately go 9 squared, right? 9 squared is 81. Well, it makes sense, therefore, that 3 to the 4 is also 81. And you'll see a whole bunch of those when you start memorizing the unit circle. When you start, not the unit circle, sorry, wrong topic. When you're learning about exponents and just memorizing them, you're going to see those patterns. What did I say the answer was? I said it was 3. 3 to the 4 is 81. And then we're going to go 3 there. And then my final answer is going to be 27. And I'm going to highlight that. Get my pen. 27. Hey presto, we're done. So there are my 3 answers to those questions. Hopefully this video was helpful to you and you're able to get all of those correct.